Hi everyone, I'm Vivien, the Chief Product Officer at BingX. Today I've got something truly exciting to share with you right here at Stamford Bridge. We are launching a fresh, modern design for the training kit, featuring BingX logo. Earlier this year, we embarked on an incredible journey with Chelsea that will last for 2.5 years. Our partnership is all about one thing: empower the future. Football and cryptocurrency might seem worlds apart, but they share the same spirit. In both training and trading, growth drives our world forward. It's all about fueling progress, innovation, and new opportunities. Training makes excellence, and at BingX, we understand the dedication and hard work that athletes pour into every session. We are honored to play a part in Chelsea's journey and can't wait to see the team shine in their new training kit in this coming season. Here's to aiming higher, pushing boundaries, and empowering the future.